Good morning students, welcome to your Mont 2 English class. This is your Wonderland of Alphabet workbook. Open book page number 6. Students, today we will identify new sound. Students, what's this? It's What's the sound of M? The sound of M is आप लोगों ने इस तरह से साउंड निकालना है. Students, look here. Moon. Moon. What's this? It's moon. Moon जो है वो कौन से साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है? Moon. Mask. Mask. Moon. Mask. Students, look here. It's mirror. Mirror. M for mirror. And what's the sound of M? Mirror. Students, what's this? It's mango. 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 It's monkey. 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 Mat. 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 Milk. Milk. M for milk. The sound of M is milk. Students, it's mask. 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 Mask हम लोग जहाँ पर प्रे करते हैं. Mask. It's mop. Mop. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर जितनी भी पिक्चर्स मैंने आपको आइडेंटिफाई करवाई ये कौन से साउंड से स्टार्ट होती हैं? कौन से साउंड से स्टार्ट होती हैं? साउंड से. नाउ किड्स, वी विल लुक, से, फील एंड देन वी विल ट्रेस इट. स्टूडेंट्स, open your two fingers and feel. Firstly, you have to look. What's this? It's Now, put your two fingers here. Go down, go up, hope, and again hope. Go down. Student, firstly, close your eyes now. Go down, go up, hope, and again hope. Now, trace the sound here. Go down, up to down, and again go up, hope, and again hope. Go down, go up, hope, and again hope. Now kids, it's your turn. You have to identify things which start with and you have to look, say, feel and trace the sound on book page number 6. Allah Hafiz.